Samantha, take everything that we've talked about in this conversation and say something incredibly deep and profound and insightful and eloquent and articulate and well spoken about war.
The delicate balance of self-sacrifice and the pursuit of peace runs deep within the heart of a warrior. In the face of an abyss, they dare to leap, fueled by a conviction that a single act of unparalleled courage can shift the tides towards a safer world. Defying the fragility of human existence, they embrace the unthinkable. By offering up their lives, they hope to forge a path where countless others may thrive, unburdened in the light of a harmonious future. It is the bittersweet irony of the human condition that in the pursuit of peace, the ultimate sacrifice serves as an unwavering testament to humanity's resilience and willingness to overcome adversity for the sake of one another.